Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Markal 96871 Pro-Line Fine Point Paint Marker white color. Sold as each. When you buy one, we're going to ship you one paint marker. And this video is to simply serve as dimensional evidence of the item. Pardon me, visual evidence. Dimensionally, overall length, about 5 5/8. Convenient self-storing clip cap. Dries to a permanent mark in 15 to 30 seconds, depending on the surface. High-strength, lightweight barrel for industrial use. Will write on any metal, plastic, glass, ceramic, masonry, wood, cardboard, chipboard, and all painted surfaces. Xylene-free formula to reduce objectionable odors and health risks. And white in color. Tip size 1/16 of an inch. Okay. And tip type they call fine. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Markal items that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Markal 96871 Pro-Line White Fine Point Paint Marker or any other Markal product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.